Hey guys, you are looking at Honda's brand new EU2200i inverter generator. And let me just say, Honda has done it again. Everything that you loved about the little 2000 watt is incorporated in this new unit. It's lightweight, easy to carry, fuel efficient, but now you've got the additional 200 watts to go with it. Now you might notice that we've got our Hutch Mountain propane conversion kit. This is a separate accessory that we sell, and it allows you to run both gasoline and propane. So just like some of our other units, if you're running on propane and you decide that you want to go to gasoline, just disconnect, turn your gasoline to the on position, and pull the rope, and you're running gasoline. And you can go back and forth all you want. So there are some definite advantages of running propane. Your carburetor is not going to get all clogged up when the gasoline goes bad. You don't have all those stinky exhaust fumes that you get from burning gasoline. And it's because it burns a lot cleaner. Even your oil looks cleaner when you change it. And transporting propane is a lot easier. There's no spilling when you fill it. The extended run times, if you're in the RV and you're out boondocking, 20 to 30 plus hours of runtime. And for emergency preparedness, you'll know that the fuel is good when you need it. So we just wanted to do a little bit of a teaser video for you and let you know some of the accessories that are coming out at hutchmountain.com. We also have some other things in the works, and I don't want to give too much away, but we just might have an iPhone and Android app coming out for this as well. So make sure you subscribe to our Facebook and our YouTube, because that's where we're going to be making the announcements. And we'll see you guys later.